Alright, just a quick fun update. I made these tubes with speakers in them. They're going to be a lot prettier eventually. Yeah, you can see that a little better. They're really good sounding speakers though. And I'm working on some menus. Like right now you can see main menu, two selections, autonomous and remote control. Remote control is gray, means it's selected. And you can see north. The arrow is not actually pointing to north, but it does rotate based on a number coming out of the compass. So I just got to do some fudge-alleging on that. Speaking of which, there is the compass. XB. Here's a little Chinese-made audio amplifier that is going to that speaker, if I can stay out of the light. And let's see, so we're going to try to plug this in and hope it's not going to go flying across the room. Please, Walter. Good. Okay. All right, so we got our trusty Wii remote. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to toggle, and we're going to go to remote control and hit the button. All right, that brings up this screen. Let's see, I'll back up a little bit. You see these numbers are in red. That's because the motors are reversed. Now they're in neutral, they're white. So there's my encoder numbers. Just 1, 2, 3 is a filler. Sonar numbers with 99 as a filler. The compass works. It's heading 157, and that kind of translates to that direction, even though it's not really that direction. I have to skip it. Okay, and so basically what I've got here, I have a cog running the compass. I have a cog running the remote control. All right, I've got a cog running the TV. I've got one cog doing nothing but this.
Another corner, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Now, as you can hear, I got to deal with that click every time the audio starts, and it's a pin going high. It's the audio pin going high. I know. At the startup, it's calling it an output at the startup, and setting it high. And so I got to ramp up, or I got to do something to get rid of that click. But at any rate, so with my trusty remote control and in remote control mode, you can see here they're going to go to green. Actually, it looks a little yellow. And there's red for reverse, and we'll spin. There. Oops. Back the other way. Let me pick up this pot. Okay. Alright, so there is my little control. Oh, and if I hit the button, and then I go back to the main menu where I could, again, select different options with the remote control. So we'll go to remote control, select it, and now we're rocking. Oh, my house is so dark and dreary at night. Ding! So we're getting there. I kind of like this Pac-Man-esque control panel. I think it looks pretty good. So, all right, getting there. Ding!